Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week was very crazy for me as I and 8 other YouTubers have been competing in the Ultimate Game Jam. Now this is a new game jam and has a very cool format. You get 7 days to build a game by yourself.
7 days.
Doing art, sound, music, programming and level design with a given theme. Now once the game is completed, you will then be given another theme and you have 4 days to merge it in with the previous theme. Then after those 2 themes are completed, you will be given a final theme. It is a very cool idea, and the first theme was decay. Now this might sound simple at first, but really it is not, especially for my first game jam. Let me explain. Decay is to rot or decompose through the action of bacteria and fungi. Now decay could mean many things here, like durability or a simple fruit rotting away, never to be eaten. For me, decay was easy at first until I realized I am more of an artist than a programmer. And how could I possibly create art for decay? I couldn't think of anything. I had an idea of a decaying world which you must explore, but it turned out to be far more complicated than I expected, and I couldn't think of anything evolving around that. I couldn't draw anything. Well, I did draw this, but it's disrespectful to the game jam. I needed to do better than this. So I spent the entire day wasting away ideas and digital paper until I drew this. I was really happy with the decaying world, so I started with that as a base, then quickly jumped into Unity and designed a level with my art just to get a feel. If you're wondering about all the fancy lighting in the background, well, there is none. I used 0 lights throughout my project. What I did was create a particle system using a soft transparent shape, and after 10 minutes I created something so simple I was laughing when it worked. I would love to do a tutorial for something like this, so comment below if you'd like to see something like that. Anyway, I started with falling platforms that decay when the player touches them, but after testing this it was quite boring. I knew it was time to scrap it. I still loved the level I created, so this would stay. I then worked the next 3 days and had no time to work on my game, but I had plenty of time to think about my project. But when I began work on it again, it was day 6 and I tried making countless mini-games, infinite wave survivals. None of it worked, none of it was fun. Then I thought maybe I could somehow transform the decayed world, so I created a blade that will kill the player and a sprite sheet to make the blade transform into a safe flower that will not harm the player. Then I created a spider, and when it gets killed it will burst and a flower will grow from inside it. This is where I felt my creativity flow, so I finished the player sprite sheet. He can walk, jump and fall. Now all he needed is a gun, not just a regular gun. I want my weapon to shoot out a projectile that will transform something harmful into something safe for 2 seconds. In that 2 seconds, player can touch the blade. If he is still touching, then he will die. Now I started having a lot of fun with this idea and began finishing up the project. Turned it into a puzzle game, which was so much fun to play. If you want to play it, I'll have a link in the description. Check it out, let me know what you think. If you would like me to continue and finish the project, also let me know in the comments. It is not over yet. I have 2 more themes for the game that I am waiting on. Let's see next week how it went. Thanks everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did. Also subscribe if you want to see more. You can join my Discord, the link is below, and follow me on Patreon if you would like to support me and my crazy ideas. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Special thanks to Emil and MrKrucker.